The parliamentary team, we have no objection with that. The bipartisan team. We'll give the list tomorrow. And that will show that we are for dialogue. But dialogue must be sincere.
Announced today that the cost of unga imeenda chini mpaka 100. Announced today that fuel imeenda chini. Announced today that mmerudisha kazi mitaani. Announced today that the school fees has been subsidized. Mukifanya hiyo maneno, we'll sit at the table and have a conversation. And to do that, you don't need a committee, you don't need parliament, it's a policy decision.
Na kama ni mazungumzo, ikuwe kwa meza, kila mtu akuwe, tunataka tuone hata viongozi wa makanisa wakuwe hapa.
And that Dr. William Samoei Ruto should welcome the clergy and all other stakeholders because Kenya belongs to us all.
Tuliambiwa, and we had a very good agenda for Azimio. We said all the things that we were going to do. But others also said that as soon as wakule hiyo Biblia kiapo, unga itaenda 70 shillings. Tumengoja, haijaenda 70 shillings. Walisema mafuta itaenda chini. Tumengoja, haijaenda chini. So I think you are right. Even these discussions that you are having, the conversation, the agreement that we are having, let it be a little more transparent. Tujue ni nini munasema. Because we are interested in saving our country.